Namaskar, my name is Raghav Maheshwari and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revolution Make It Simple. In this lecture series on Indian geography, I have already covered lectures on overview of Indian political map, its states and union territories with their capitals, areas and populations. We have also seen India's neighboring countries. In the previous video, we have watched the physiographic divisions of India. We have also covered the longitudinal divisions of the Himalayas. Also, we mapped the mountain ranges of North and Northeast India. In this video, we will cover the mountain ranges of Central and South India. Also, we will map some mountain passes of Western Himalayas. If you have not watched previous videos, please go through them. I will provide the links for the same in the description below. I will cover these topics through mapping technique so that you can have a very good grip on the topic. So without any delay, let's begin. First, we will see the mountain ranges of central India. Then we will move on to mountain ranges of South India. This is the map of central India. First, we will see the mountain ranges of Gujarat. Gujarat consists of two peninsulas, Kutch Peninsula and Kathiawar Peninsula. The mountain range of Kutch Peninsula is Kutch Hills and the mountain ranges of Kathiawar Peninsula are Barda Hills, Girnar Hills, Gir Hills and Mandav Hills. One of the main features of these four hills is that the drainage pattern is radial. ये है Satmala Hills. They lie somewhere north on the border of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Now we will see the two longest mountain ranges of central India. These two mountain ranges separates the North India from South India. The first one is Vindhya Range and the second one is Satpura Range. Vindhya Range extends from Gujarat to Bihar, passing through Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The second one is Satpura Range, which lies south of Vindhya Range. Narmada River flows through a rift valley between these two ranges. South of Vindhya Range lie Bhanre Range. Two mountain ranges lie south of Satpura Range. These are Gavelgarh Range and Mahadev Range. Four mountain ranges of Maharashtra are Ajanta Range, Sahyadri Range, Harishchandra Range and Balaghat Range. These are Satmala Range. These are different from Satmala Hills. These lie on the border of Telangana and छत्तीसगढ़. अब हम देखेंगे छत्तीसगढ़ की चार माउंटेन रेंजेस. पहले आती है मैकाल रेंज और मैकाल हिल्स जो मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ का नेचुरल बॉर्डर बनाती है. सेकेंड वन आती है हजारीबाग रेंज. फिर आती है मैलान रेंज और हिल्स. फोर्थ आती है रामगढ़ हिल्स. आगे जाने से पहले हम देखेंगे मध्य प्रदेश के दो माउंटेन रेंजेस. इसमें पहली है कैमूर रेंज और दूसरी है सोनपार हिल्स. अब भांगरे रेंज, कैमूर रेंज और सोनपार हिल्स ये तीनों विंध्या रेंजेस के पूर्वी हिस्से हैं. और फिर गावलगर रेंज, महादेव हिल्स और मैकाल हिल्स ये तीनों सतपुरा रेंजेस के हिस्से हैं. अब हम उड़ीसा स्टेट की चार हिल्स देखते हैं. पहले आती हैं गड़जात हिल्स, फिर आती हैं आसिया हिल्स, उसके नीचे आती हैं टीकापाड़ा हिल्स और फिर आती हैं नयागढ़ हिल्स. सेंट्रल इंडिया की लास्ट हिल्स राजमहल हिल्स है जो कि झारखंड स्टेट में आती हैं। After covering the mountain ranges of central India, we will cover the mountain ranges of South India. In this, we will first see the mountain hills of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. There are mainly 5 hills in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. They are Velikonda Hills, Nallamala Hills, Iramala Hills, Sheshchalam Hills and Palkonda Hills. In Karnataka, there is only one prominent hill, that is Baba Bodhan Hills. Now we will see the hills of Tamil Nadu. The first one is Nagari Hills. This is near the Pulicat Lake. The second one is Javadi Hills. The third one is Melagiris Range. The fourth is Shivaroy Hills. The fifth is Panchmalai Hills. The sixth is Sherumalai Hills. And the seventh and the last is Palani Hills. Now we will see the mountain ranges of Kerala. The first one is Nilgiri Hills. The famous hill station Ooty, which is also known as the Queens of Hills, is in Nilgiri Hills. The second one is Annamalai Hills. The third one are Cardamom Hills, and the last one is Verushnath Hills. Now we will map the mountain passes of the Indian subcontinent. In this section, we will cover some of the passes of the Western Himalayas. But before that, we will try to understand what is a pass and what are its significance. A pass is a gap or break in high, rough terrain such as mountain ridges. Passes often provide the easiest routes for people to travel across steep mountain ranges. For this reason, they have played an important role throughout human history in migration, trade, and settlement. First, we will see the 3 mountain passes between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The first one is Bolan Pass. The Bolan Pass is a mountain pass through the Toba Kakar range of Balochistan province in western Pakistan. It is 120 km from the Afghanistan border. The second pass is Gomal Pass. It is a mountain pass on the Durand line border between Afghanistan and the southeastern portion of Pakistan. It takes its name from the Gomal River and is midway between the legendary Khyber Pass and the Bolan Pass. The third is Khyber Pass. The Khyber Pass is a mountain pass in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan on the border with Afghanistan. Now we will see the 4 mountain passes between India and China. The first one is Mintaka Pass. It is between Kashmir and China. It lies on the tri-junction of India, China and Afghanistan border. The second pass is Parpet Pass. It is also between Kashmir and China. It lies east of Mintaka Pass on the Indo-China border. The third is Aghil Pass. It connects the Ladakh region of India with the Xinjiang province of China. It lies 5,000 meters above sea level. It is north of K2 River, that is Godwin Austen, which is the highest peak in India and the second highest peak in the world. The fourth one is Karakoram Pass. It is also between India and China across the Karakoram range. It is located at an elevation of over 6,000 meters. I will cover rest of the mountain passes of India in the next part. I hope you found this video informative. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Dhanyavad and Jai Hind.